Hello. Hi, Mama. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. For this particular video, it's gonna be a makeup tutorial. Most of it's just gonna be, actually all of it is gonna be just the eyes. Sorry guys about that outro on that intro. But anyways, you're gonna take like a royal blue color and you're gonna place it along your crease, kind of like in a moon shape or half a circle shape. Make sure that with this look, or with any look that you want a lot of color and pop, is that you keep adding. So you're definitely going to want to pack. Then you're going to take like a lighter shade of blue with a fluffy brush and apply it or dab it on the edge of that royal blue. And that's going to be your blending color pretty much. So you're going to use it to blend. What are you gonna do? Blend. So yeah, just keep blending. Take your time with this. If you didn't go to the gym, this is definitely the workout for the day. So yeah, keep blending. Then with a smaller brush, you take this like ocean blue green color and apply it right above that blend color that you use, that other lighter blue. You just really want like a seamless blend. And it does take time, so just pack on color and blend. Then once that's completed, I did take on a tiny brush this very light bright green color, like a lime color, and I placed it right above that like oceany blue. You guys like the name of the colors? And I used the ColourPop palette Lamar. By this time you should have a cut crease. You want to take a flat brush and apply in packing motion the shimmery like aquamarine turquoise color and bring it only halfway. We're gonna leave some space for this color, which is that greenish color. Pack that on. And then lastly, go in with a fluffy brush and blend out that dark blue. It's a lot of packing on color and blending out color, as you'll notice. Just make it look smoky. And that's the completed look, you guys. The only thing we would need to do is place the colors underneath our lower lash line, starting with the darkest and working your way to the lightest color. And really just take your time with this. But yeah, right eye, left eye. Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. I hope you guys have so much fun recreating this look. I know I had fun creating it for you guys. And if you do, make sure you post it on IG and you tag me in it. I would love to see it. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a great week and just stay blessed. And make sure you keep an eye out for me next week. I'll have another video for you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye.